Ever had an issue with your window that every time you rotate this rod right here to open it, it just won't open? But when you close, it closes like that. But when you try to open it, it just never, like it just spins and spins and spins and it won't open. I've tried to open this place here to try to fix it, but it just never works. So every single time I have to like do this. And it's been annoying the heck out of me. So I have a solution for this, and let's make it simple and fix it. So we're gonna remove this, and I do have a new Lowe window that I just bought that is going in here, and we can do it again. All right, so first of all, you have to open these brackets right here and then pull the window out. It's easier when you do it from the bottom right here because it locks in here and it just opens like that. Then on this side, the same thing. Get it from the bottom. There you go. And once you do that, these blinds just come out. So I'm gonna put this on the side. All right, so now we have the space open. So we need to remove all these brackets because they're not the same. So remove like this one. There you go. That's the bracket that was there, it's old. The second one. All right, so I got all that done. So now I'm gonna show you guys how what's in the box when you open the Lowe box. All right, so let's unbox this one and remove the blind. There's two tips on one side like that, and this box comes out, and it looks like that. Instructions, it gives you the tools that you need, and holding it. The brackets, usually they put them back here. So let's remove them. That's the first bracket that comes with screws right here. And there's a second one right here. It comes with this bracket right here. And that's pretty much it. That's all you need. Then there's this two here that goes in the middle. Similar to what we just removed. All right, and that's it. This is it. I'm gonna show you now how to install this really quick. All right, so once you get all the brackets, I think it's gonna be pretty close to where this was before. It's right there. And then the next one over there. But I'm not sure about the holes here. It might work, it might not. So we'll see. I'll start with the middle ones. They definitely don't much. It's a little wider. So I put that first and then I get a bit to make the hose. This is a weird screw. Look at like a bit on the top there. So I can't use that one. So I got that one in. All right, so I had to make some holes. This is one of the tools that you need a bit to make holes because the brackets are not gonna match. So the holes over there are not gonna match what the new one you're putting in. So sometimes you have to put some new holes so it works. If you're lucky, sometimes they match, but most of the time they don't. That one is perfect. You can hear it grabbed into the stud. So once you get that done, you're pretty much done. And then you just slide the blinds in there. All right, so one more last thing. Don't forget to remove this thing here because this is very important. And you will install it once you put the whole thing in there. Okay, I'm gonna put it like this. And all you do is slide it in here. Okay. There you go. So once you get it in here, you lock that side. There you go. And now you can bring it down a little bit, remove those, and then your thing goes here. So I put it the right way. If this thing here was on the other side, then you had to rotate it. Let me show you, get close. If this here was, you put it the wrong way and it was facing the other side, you have to rotate this. But I think I got it right. So now we're gonna put this rotating thing right here. So this just snaps in here. Can only go one way. There you go. And then, so now I got an opportunity to clean up that area there because it hasn't been cleaned in years. All right, so now I'm gonna clean this, at least get it clean. Do that when you do yours because next time you clean this is gonna be probably a long time. And you want your new blind to sit on a clean surface. Then all you do is just pull this down. There. Now I don't have to deal with, now my blinds can close without a problem. All right, so once you get that done, now you need to put the decorative trim up there. This just snaps in there. So putting these brackets, they slide in like this. So it's not that hard. So the easy way to do this, let me show you here. The easy way to do this, don't try to force it this way. Put it like this. First, just put it in here. It slides to where you want to be. And then you just rotate it and it's in there. So you put it in here like this. Then you just rotate. Easy, easy. There it is. It's on there. I'm just gonna have to adjust it just a little bit because it seems like this side is just like a ½ inch past and this side is just a little bit off. So I'll adjust it just a little bit and then we should be all done. But this is all done, guys, and it looks really nice. The old one is over here. It's going in the trash. But let me adjust that and I'll show you guys a second. So now it's even. And then they give you these pieces right here to put on the corners of that piece. I'll show you. They give you these pieces right here. That goes over here. So it looks like a really sharp, completed. Let me show you guys. So you see, the pieces that just clips in there, and it makes that corner looks like I cut it on a miter or something. And then it looks on this side too as well. Looks like it's cut on a miter. So this is done, guys. We are completed. Just installed a blind. You could do this. You can just go to Lowe's and measure your window. And when you're measuring, you measure from this corner right here, inside, and the inside here. You're not gonna find the exact window, the exact size for your window. Very difficult. You're lucky sometimes you do, but most of the time they have to cut it to fit. And they can cut these windows at Lowe's or Home Depot. Lowe's actually has a fancy machine that cuts this. It's all computerized. It's amazing. So I just want to encourage you that this you can do yourself. And then one more last thing that I'm gonna do on the bottom of this, on the back here, they give you these things too. The slides just perfectly here. And you can just use one of these soft and tap it in. Then I'm gonna do this side as well. Just slide it in as soon as it's on the groove, you tap. Perfect. Remove all the tape to make your window looks good. So let me show you how that corner looks also, so you know what I'm talking about. So the corners, the edges of this looks like that. So this is done, and I appreciate you guys for watching. Check out my other videos, and I will see you in the next one.